Hello Super Mobile fans, I trust your day is great. Thanks for the love you have shown in the past by watching my videos and subscribing to my channel. I want to apologize for posting this video late because I know you might have been expecting to hear my verdict on the Note 5 Stylus after posting 2 sneak peek videos a few weeks ago. The delay was caused by me not actually having the Note 5 Stylus, and so I had to wait to get real pictures of the device from the internet and YouTube. Well, I guess my channel is not big enough for Infinix brand to send me a review unit, but I believe we will get there together. Thanks once again for subscribing. The Note 5 Stylus comes in 3 colors: the champagne gold, Bordeaux red and dark grey. The Bordeaux red is my favorite color. I know you might have already seen lots of unboxing pictures and videos on the internet, and you will see that it's the same unboxed contents like the Note 5. Fast 3A charger, the screen protector with manuals and warranty card, silicone case, USB cable, earphone and SIM ejector pin. Infinix did great in maintaining this standard unboxing accessories. In this video, I will be focusing on comparing the Note 5 Stylus with the Note 5, and at the end of the video I hope to assist you in making the best purchase or buying decision between the Note 5 and Note 5 Stylus. In the Note 5 Stylus, there is a compromise and setback in the SIM tray slot design, where you have to choose from either putting 2 SIM cards or 1 SIM and an expandable memory card. But the Note 5 has the true dual SIM slots where you can put 2 SIM cards and a micro SD card altogether, making it a better buying choice for those who really love the old technology of using 2 SIMs and an SD card simultaneously. The Note 5 Stylus has a metal body build, which makes it feel and scream premium with superior quality. The plastic antenna line design looks pleasing to the eyes, but the metal body makes it slightly heavy and more expensive. Also, metal is durable, stronger, tougher, and scratches less when it falls. The Note 5 on the other hand has plastic body build, but this is a beautiful and elegant plastic build because of its shiny and polished surface, which curves smoothly at the edges to give a premium look. Also, it makes it lighter in weight and more affordable. Plastic is more prone to scratches and breaks when it drops to the floor, thereby damaging the premium design. Both cameras of the Note 5 and Note 5 Stylus are quite the same, except for the larger 16MP rear camera with f1.8 aperture in the Note 5 Stylus, which makes it slightly better than the Note 5 12MP rear camera with f2.0 aperture. But overall, both phones have good cameras. Here are some sample shots. With the quality of the sample photos, the camera lovers can buy any of the 2 phones and be satisfied. The battery capacity in both phones are different, with the Note 5 having the bigger 4500 mAh battery and the Note 5 Stylus having a 4000 mAh battery, probably because of the smaller space due to the in-house X Pen. Since they both have the same processor, Android 8.1 with Android One software, same screen size and resolution, then I can say that the Note 5 will perform significantly better in the battery department than the Note 5 Stylus. Also, according to Infinix spec sheet, the battery time difference can be seen, and the Note 5 has a better standby time and talk time. But this is not enough to make the Note 5 your choice to buy, except you are a battery hungry user. Both phones comes with the 4G LTE network, but the Note 5 has a wider 4G connectivity coverage than the Note 5 Stylus, as can be seen on the spec sheet in the Infinix website. This is a major buying decision for the 4G network lovers, but this difference might not matter only if your 4G network provider LTE band falls under the bands 3 and 40. So I guess it's more safe to go for the wider option in the Note 5. And now the major and ultimate difference between the Note 5 and Note 5 Stylus is the gorgeous X Pen and its functions. Note 5 Stylus is a smartphone that makes Infinix a top-class brand because of its similarities with the Samsung Galaxy Note 5. The X Pen in the Note 5 Stylus is quite a handy feature to have, but is it worth it for you to spend the extra cash to buy it instead of buying a Note 5? Well, I think yes, because the lock screen note is quite useful if you don't like carrying jotters or notebook with you every time. Secondly, whenever you are bored, if you love expressing your ideas, emotions, and boredom by painting or artistic drawings, then Note 5 Stylus is for you. Thirdly, the Note 5 Stylus is good for writing memos, especially if you are too tired to download a third-party memo app and type with the strenuous keyboard. Fourthly, if you are a good artist and you want to impress your friends, then Note 5 Stylus is a good choice. Fifthly, if you cannot afford the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 or even the 5 years old Galaxy Note 5, then the Note 5 Stylus is a great choice. In conclusion, the Note 5 and Note 5 Stylus are the best smartphones released by Infinix this year because they are both running on Android One software. I am not a fan of the Infinix XOS user interface because of its poor RAM management. Even Infinix agrees with me because they wrote on their website that Android One is better. Although Infinix SOS gives us Face ID, X-ID, FM radio, iCare, X-Share, X-Account, I will still go for the Android One. Anyways, also on the Note 5 and Note 5 Stylus, you get to enjoy the Google's Assistant, Google's Lens, vibrant Full HD Full View display, fingerprint, octa-core processor, and fast charge. I hope you can now decide on which of the two smartphones best suits your budget and specifications. Kindly comment below your favorite of the two in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Talk to you in my next video. Bye.
Infinix is more than brand, it's a family.
Infinix, the future is now.